Alright guys, welcome back to the hobby farm. Now we're gonna go out here. We gotta feed the animals tonight. Look at all the chickens under there. It's shaded. It's not really that hot out. Nice cool breeze. And they just like the shade. Let's go over here and check out the turkeys. They're growing pretty good. Cows are definitely growing pretty good. But yeah, the turkeys are getting up there. They're about half grown. And then we got the cows. Cows are just sunning themselves. And they're getting pretty big. Now we've got to clean this area out. I'll probably have to rent a machine. Sorry about that. And get this cleared out. Then we'll get it all spread because it's kind of built up a little bit. But they are definitely doing good. These are some of the newer layers right there. But let's get in here and get these horses fed, and then I'll feed the cattle. And I probably got to get on a lawnmower, mow the lawn. See if we can get a good shot of Peanut. She's growing pretty good. She's eating out of Mama's bin. You got your food over here, Peanut. You eat out of your own bucket. Oh well. But I think she's gonna end up being gray like her mom. She's starting to get gray around her face and around her hooves and stuff. So, let's get these guys finished. Try to tear the thing down. I'd like to bring you guys in. These guys want in. I have to wait for my wife to get home so she can help me All right, that completes feeding the animals. The chickens we usually feed in the morning, and then they're out after about 1 o'clock, free range. So that's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the lawn mowed and catch you guys in a little bit here, and we'll go over some other things. Well, so much for mowing. It's starting to rain pretty good now, so it's a good time to come in the garage and have a cold one. But yeah, if it's not raining too hard, I probably could still mow, but it's lightning and I don't do any of that stuff. So don't want to be out there on a lawnmower when lightning's coming down. So all right, so I'm gonna wait for the rain to stop and see if I can get her mowed. That's good for the garden. That's blowing in here now. It is raining. And it's raining and the sun's out. Crazy. Yeah, while we're in here, this is my Father's Day present. It's a master-built smoker. It's propane, and you put the chips down here. You know, I already seasoned it. And it's got 4 or 5 racks in it. 4 racks in it. And I've already seasoned it, and I did a chicken. The next thing I'm going to do in there is a brisket. Maybe I'll film that. Never did a brisket before, so, and I got like 2 of them in my refrigerator or freezer. So maybe I'll do a brisket, maybe some ribs. I got a bunch of pork butts in there, so maybe I'll do that. But yeah, maybe I'll make a video on smoking some beef or whatever. So let me know if you guys want to see that or not. Give me a comment and all that good stuff. Sounds like the rain might be letting up. Hopefully it's not too wet. I can get this grass done, finish out my evening, and get inside and relax.